games.
Hello, Scam Squad! Today I will be showing you the first math game I ever created, Facts for Fun. And as you can see from the menu, in Facts for Fun, you can practice addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division problems. Let's head into the addition room and see what it looks like. So as you can see, there's a problem and directions. The cool thing about Facts for Fun is that you can enter in the answers right on your keyboard, which is a lot faster than pressing buttons. If the problems are too easy, you can head down to the settings and change the max value. You can also toggle on and off negative numbers. And the max value can be changed all the way to 99. Another cool thing about Facts for Fun is if you click the trophy icon, you can see your stats. So problems correct, incorrect, and percent. When you have enough coins, you can head into the arcade, and there are 4 different games you can play. Let's see what they look like. The first one is the turtle game. And what you want to do is use your arrows to move the turtle left and right to avoid the obstacles. The longer you can last, the higher your score will be. The second game is a guessing game. You have 3 icons and you need to choose which one has the money. Ooh, unfortunately I'm not feeling too lucky. The third one is a item drop game. So you're a shopping cart, you want to collect the vegetables and the money and avoid the poison. The longer you last, the higher your score. And the final game is a accuracy shooting type game where you want to make that ball through the hoop. The more times you make it through the hoop, the more time you get, and you want to reach the highest score you can. I will put the link in the description so you can start playing right away. Thanks for watching.